How to insert the data? So two ways you can able to insert the data into table. One is the by value method, by address method. Okay, now come to the some important questions. Okay, so interview point of view, mandatory question guys, this one. How to create the backup table? How to create backup table means I already my table is there, batch 09 is there. I want to same structure, same table I want to create in the another table. I don't want to again create table name, column 1, column 2, column 3 like that. I don't want to define. Create like this I don't want. I want to create batch 9 table with the same structure I want to create with another one more table. That is called as a backup table. How to create the backup? So this question they are going to ask in the interview guys. So mandatory question, how to create a backup table. Okay, we'll see how to that one. Okay, I'm going to create table name. What are the table name you need? Batch 09 or batch 9 temp. Okay, batch 9 temp. This is the my new table for backup, temporary table. Batch 9 temp as select star from batch 09. This is your old table name. If you create like this, create table name, create table new table name as select star from the batch 09 old table name. If you create like this, it is going to create the new table with along with the same structure. What is the structure is there in the batch 09? What is the structure is there in the batch 09? The same structure, same data is going to create into the new table along with the data also. Okay, here how many records are there? 6 records are there. This 6 records is going to create in the batch 9 temp table also. Okay, just I am executing this one. Table batch 9 temp is created. Now you can go and check this structure DESC batch 9 temp. See, the same structure, same data type, same size is created the batch 9 temp. Okay, and see the structure also, data also. Select star from batch 9 temp. Okay, see, whatever the data is there in the batch 09 table, the same data, same structure is created with the data also.
I need only table structure one.
Yeah, so if you need only table structure, I don't want the data.
Yeah.
Okay, how
Yeah,
to
sir.
create that also they will ask the interview. Okay, so create table name temp1. I'm going to create the one more table temp1. Earlier will be temp is there, now temp1 as select star from the table batch 09 where you have to give any false condition, where 1 equal to 2 or any false condition not equal to, not only 1 equal to 2. If you give any false condition, so always 1 equal to 2 is a false, right? It won't match 1 equal to 2 or 5 equal to 6 or anything 1 equal to 10. Anything, any false condition you have to give here. Okay, so always false condition means, so the condition is going to false here, then it's going to create only structure. It not moved the data. Now you can see guys, table batch temp 1 is created. You can able to see the describe DESC batch 9 temp 1. See, structure is created, employee, EMP number, EM name, contact and salary. Okay, now you can go and see the data. Select star from batch 9 temp 1. See, there is no data. Okay, there is no data. MB number, employee name, contact, salary. Only structure only created with 0 records. See, because it fetched 0 records. Earlier it is going to see fetched 6 records. Okay guys, how to create the backup table with data, without data. So with data means just you have to give the create table name as select star from the batch 09. Next, back without data means same where 1 equal to 2 or any false condition where 1 equal to 2 or 1 equal to 10, anything, just false condition where 1 equal to 2. Any false condition you have to pass in the where class. In that time it won't move the data, it won't create the data, it won't only it create the structure only. Clear guys? So I'm going to give the SQL questions also guys. So what are they going to ask the interview point of view? I already noted. So frequently asked questions. First question, how to create the backup table. Backup table with the data, without data. Clear guys? So you know how to give the answer for this question. How to create backup table with data and without data. Okay. Next come to the difference between the drop, truncate and delete. So we are going to discuss that point now. Clear how to create the backup table. Now you know how to create the table in two ways. One is the new table, second is the new table based on the existing table. In these two ways we can able to create the tables in a database. Okay, now come to the, so I want to create, so this create is completed. Now I'm going to, I want to remove the table, remove the data. I want to remove the data. So by using the truncate, come to the truncate table guys. Truncate is a DDL command. So this truncate, while by using the truncate command we are going to remove the data, all the data, whatever the data is there here, 1 lakh records or 2 lakh records or 10 million or 1 record, any number of records, whatever the records are there in the table, that all the records we are going to remove in one shot. Okay, while executing the truncate command it is going to remove all the data into one shot. All the data we are going to remove after executing the truncate. So this is a DDL command, we can't roll back, it's auto commit. So DDL commands are the auto commit, right? So we can't able to do the truncate, undo for this once we executed the truncate command. Okay, truncate table syntax will be truncate table batch 9 temp 1. So sorry, temp 1 we don't have data, right? We don't have data, so I'm going to give the, okay, temp only. I'm going to give the temp only. Okay, guys, you have the data in the temp table. Here you can see you have the data in the temp table, correct? Or we can take some backup table again. I'm going to create one more backup table, temp 2. Temp 2 also I'm going to create this with the data. Temp 3 also I'm going to create. Okay, okay, two tables I created guys. Select star from batch 9 temp 2. This is the one table. See, data is available. Same way, select star from batch 9 temp 3. Here also data available. Okay, so now I'm going to truncating the temp 2 table right now. So what I told the truncate, it's going to remove all the data, whatever the data is available in the temp this table. So it's going to remove all the data. Okay, so we'll see for executing here how many records are there. 6 records are there in the temp2 table. So after executing the 6 records, table batch 9 truncated. Okay, table temp2 truncated. Now you can go and see the temp2 table. See guys, there is no data. Means,
That's it.
so whatever the data is available in the table, all the data is going to remove after executing the truncate table. After executing the truncate, we are going to remove all the data into one shot. That is 1 record or 10 records or 1 lakh records or 2 lakh records. Whatever the data is available, whatever the records are available in the table, all the records we are going to remove from the table database, from the database. So if you do the rollback now, if I do the rollback, also, you can see now, see, I didn't back the data because of the this truncate or the DDL command. It's auto commit. It automatically, after executing the this truncate, automatically is going to save that transaction into database permanently. Clear guys? We can't roll back the data. We can't undo the changes. So that is the reason. So in the real time, if by mistake, if whenever you are executing the truncate, you have to be carefully. In the real time, if you do execute the truncate command, then we can't able to get the data into real time. So 99% they won't give the access to for us to do this truncate and delete and drop the real time. Okay, that's why they're going to ask this question in the interview point of view. What is the difference between the truncate, drop and delete? Okay, next same thing, the drop. So drop also is a DDL command. So while executing the drop also, it's going to save the transaction in the database permanently. We can't roll back the data. So drop will do the here only data we are truncated only data. Whatever the data is there, all the data we truncated. But while executing the drop command, along with the data,
Also structure.
structure also is going to remove. Okay, along with the data, we are going to remove the structure, table structure also. For example, see here, temp3 table, we have the data in the temp3. So now I'm going to execute the drop table name batch 9 temp3. Okay,